Folks, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today in a bathroom that we just started to remodel. What I have in front of me here is the drawing. Even a bathroom should have some type of a drawing. I know a lot of contractors just like to jump in and get started, but it's always best to have a drawing. Let me just show you what the drawing looks like here so we can see what this bathroom is going to end up being. I'm not sure if you can see this, but if you look at it, we have the toilet down here in this corner, a shower, a vanity, and then this looks like a makeup counter. So let me just show you around the room real quick and show you what we had here before and what we're doing. Let's start over here where you see this plumbing over here. This used to be the vanity. This is now going to become the makeup counter. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these pipes down, get rid of the drain, basically just kill the plumbing here so that we can put the makeup counter between the two windows. Over there where you see this pipe coming out of the ground, this is the toilet. The toilet is not going to move. Generally, toilets are expensive to move just because of the size of the pipe, number one, and sometimes you just can't do it because you have to go through floor joists and that may weaken the structure. Let's take a look on this side. Over here where you see all these holes, this used to be a 4-foot wide shower. The new shower is going to be 5 feet wide. So what we need to do here is we need to move the drain over about 6 inches so it becomes centered to the new shower. And then this plumbing is going to have to move back about 1 foot so that we can now have a 5-foot shower put in this space. You do notice over here there's some insulation. This is an inside wall with insulation. The reason why people put insulation in inside walls is not for energy, but really for soundproofing. And there's actually specific insulation you can buy for soundproofing. Let's go around to the other side of the room here where you see these big holes in the ground. This used to be a corner tub, one of those soaking tubs. A lot of people are just getting rid of the soaking tubs. They just don't use them. This tub went from where you can see the drywall's cut out here. It was about a 5-foot by 5-foot soaking tub. The plumbing pipes that you see in the ground, that's the hot and cold water. The drain is down here in this hole. So what we're going to do on this side, based on the drawing, is we're going to put a double bowl vanity against that back wall. So the drain needs to be moved and the two pipes need to be moved. So hopefully in the next few days we're going to get this project going, and as we get moving along, I'm hoping you tune in so you can see our progress. Thanks, folks.